Hello everyone. This is Hugh Carr. Welcome to another installment of Adventures in Living Lovecraft, where we imagine the strange and sensitive man who created the preternatural genre we call cosmic horror is still with us, fashioning his quirky and unctuous phrases. With the help of the Lovecraft Engine, an online program that draws from a collection of stereotypical words Lovecraft seemed to favor and stitches them together, reanimating the imagination of the person of Providence. Let's push the button together. Today's phrase is the viperous, glutinous, prodigious jumble. Thank you. Today's reading was brought to you by the Lovecraft Engine and the Black Dog Chronicles on YouTube, where, in this antechamber of the year before Halloween, there is a massive selection of beautifully told stories with relaxing soundscapes for you to listen to, including many by Lovecraft himself. This week's featured story is The Call of Cthulhu, a complete, unabridged version with a musical score and immersive soundscape. It's waiting for you. There's a link in the comments below for you to go there and enjoy it. Tell your friends, send them the link too. I'll see you tomorrow. But please, never forget that you must look out for the shadows.